got another review coming for you. This time it is from Hobbymate. I got on eBay and was looking around and contacted Hobbymate about their new motors. These are their 1108 motors, and figured I would see if I could review them for you guys. So I'm gonna do a small unboxing and a look at the motors and see what they look like and go from there. So the box that it came in is great big. Doesn't fit on my space with my camera, so I took it out of the box. And this is what you're greeted with, is a very nicely packaged box with good branding. It tells you these are the Hobbymate. I don't know if this is RCN power or racing power, but it says that this is their new RCN 1108 motors. And when you open the box, this is what you see inside. This is a 4-pack, so each of these boxes contains 2 motors. So we'll pull one out, and this is what their box looks like. They're 1108 2600 kV motors, and this box is really nice. I'm digging the box. It's pretty cool. From there, we'll open this one up and see what we have inside. All right, we'll open this one up, and then instantly there is bubble wrap. There's one, there's 2, and then there's 2 bags of screws down on the bottom. And I'll pull one of these out so you can see it. They're packaged really nice. Inside bubble wrap, inside a sealed container. And let me open these up real quick for you. These are very small motors. See if I can get some light on it where you can see it. It's 1108 2600 kV, and when you spin it, they have pretty good notching of the magnets. So these are, the brand name is RCN Power. So I don't know if it's pronounced Racing or RCN Power, but that's the brand of them. They are 1108 6800 kV, and that was the only option that I had to choose from when I was going through everything. I'll pull this over so you can see a little bit better because my table's kind of dark. It says that it has, and it's 11 millimeters by 8 millimeters, which it's 11 millimeters this way and 8 millimeters this way, I believe is what it is. The shaft diameter is 1.5 millimeters. It says they weigh 7.2 grams. So, I mean, it's not too bad. It's pretty good on weight. They're rated for a 2 to 3S LiPo, or 2 to 3S. And they are rated for a max current of 12 amps with a 15 amp 30-second burst. So, I mean, they're good little motors. And you get, the package included 4 motors. It's 80 millimeter 30 gauge wire, which is more than enough for any of your micro builds. Now, what I thought was kind of neat is, now this is taken straight off of eBay, or Amazon, excuse me. And it says it only comes with 4 sets of screws. Now, I don't know if that is what it means when it says this is a set of screws. I took it as that it was 4 sets of just 4 screws. But what you get in the package is actually this right here. There are 3 different size screws. You have these here, which are motor screws, And I'm assuming these two here are for different thicknesses of props. So they're going to be the ones that actually go on the top of the motor. But other than that, that's the only thing I can think of. The other four are for. But they are very nice little motors. And to give you a size comparison, which this is the first set of micro motors I've ever had. I'm used to the bigger motors. This is a 2207, and this is an 1108. So I mean, there's a big size difference, which I know sometimes people don't realize the sizes of them, but that's the size difference in these things. And with my Movie Magic, this is what they look like when they're installed. And like I said, these are more than enough wire for what you need. So if you run a 4-in-1, which is mainly what goes on these little guys, that is more than enough motor wire. I mean, you could stretch it from one end to the other and still have plenty of room. But all in all, so far these are really good motors from what I can tell. It does state on the website that the 1108 is geared more toward the 2.5 to 3 inch props, but I'll be putting, I think, a 2-inch prop on this little guy. So we'll see how well they handle the 2-inch props, which I don't think it'll be any different. But hope y'all like it. I'm digging it. They're pretty cool looking little motors. Thanks, Hobbymate. I'll definitely be looking for these again. Till next time, guys, keep them in the air.